Today we're setting up and testing out some outdoor rope lights from Omika. It comes with instructions, hardware and cable holders, a remote, and a 66-foot rope light. Setup is really easy. One side can be screwed into the power adapter, and then the other has a waterproof cap, covering a spot to connect another rope light. Plug it in and unravel the rope light. Then you can use the screws and cable mounts to secure the rope down where you want it. What's great about these lights is that they're IP68 waterproof and can survive our winters here, making it perfect for the outdoors. So I wrapped the lights around the barn and then fed the rest out the door. I took the end cap off and then connected another strip of rope lights, making 132 feet of rope light. I unraveled the lights and then strung them along the fence to start training them to lay flat. I waited for sunset, and I've got to say, I like the way that it looks. It gives off just enough light that it allows you to see, but not so bright that it's blinding. But if you find it's too bright, you can use the remote to adjust the brightness. You can also adjust the light effects by using the remote, or by pushing the button directly on the power adapter. There are 8 different modes to choose from, and I can see these being really festive for winter. The next day I took the outside rope light and ran it along our bird corner. I used stakes to hold it in place along our landscaping rocks, and then along the back side of the fence. And after I got everything secured down where I wanted, I waited for sunset again and came back out to see how it looked. And I'm not gonna lie, I like it. It brings a lot of light to our backyard, and we can see the yard without any harsh lights. The lights in the barn are nice too. Now I don't have to disturb the chickens turning the lights on in the barn at night. These let me see just fine. So yeah, I'm really happy with these and have no complaints. So if you're looking for some outdoor rope lights to light up your area as well, these ones from Omika might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go enjoy our nicely lit backyard. See ya.